My favorite part of residency is being able to bring all of these people together and share our passion. There are a lot of really great lectures, there are a lot of really great readings. Some of the best moments are just those moments when you're eating together, when you're sharing that book that you're really excited about.
Being around everyone is probably my favorite part of residency. Like, we were just talking in our residency meeting about what was our favorite part of residency, and I'd say most, if not all, of us said being around each other.
My favorite part of residency is definitely workshop, uh, which is crazy because when I was younger, I did all these other classes. It was my least favorite. I couldn't stand workshop because I had different experiences with it that were not the same. But it is such a great opportunity for not just input but insight that things happen, and we generate in that space new ideas and new ways of looking at things and new ways of looking at old things. And it all kind of comes together, and we're working together, and there are people who are doing the same stuff as we are. And then we get to do this one thing together. And then we get to go back out and do the same things we did before, but now with a new vision.